Hey, this video is on this UTILITECH brand Candelabra light control. This is like a dusk till dawn feature, and I bought these because I was looking for the dusk till dawn bulbs with the smaller base on it, which they didn't have. And then, but they did have this, which will do the same thing if your fixture can fit it. Now, some fixtures these won't work with, but there's a little sensor on there. All right, I made sure to turn off the light switch. Screw down in there real nice. Try to have that sensor kind of facing out a little bit if I can. Okay, it's got a nice little snug fit. That sensor doesn't want to face out. That's okay. It'll still work. It'll still be able to pick up on the light or dark. There we go. Let's see if we can do a little test here. I'm going to turn the power on. Okay, it flickered a little bit. What I did too is I made sure that I faced the sensor here towards the sun. See, if I cover it up, it goes on. That's how you know they're working right. So you're covering that up, now it goes off. So it might flicker a little bit before fully going on, but here's the true test. It thinks it's dark. There we go. All right, happy they worked. Get this thing buttoned up. Well, here's a good little tip before you buy these things. So it said, this light controls used for incandescent bulbs only. Now here's the key. It says use 60 watts or less if bulb is installed pointing up. So 60 watts and less for pointing up. 40 watts and less if the bulb is to be installed upside down. Don't use with any bug or insect bulbs. They create excessive heat. It says don't use this control with another light controller dimmer on the same circuit. No problem. All right. All right, these things appear to be working correctly for now.